Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I shave my face and I'm going to answer all your queries regarding this shaving. At the end of the video, you will see that you have got all the answers which you have within yourself regarding the shaving process. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. At first, I'm just cleaning my face with the help of a face wash. Now guys, you have so many queries regarding this shaving. I would like to answer one by one. The first question which comes in your mind is, does shaving makes hair thicker? The answer is no, it's a myth. You can just relax and shave your face and it will not make your hair thicker. Now I'm using some olive oil on my face. You can use coconut oil as well. I'm using oil so that the razor can glide easily on my face. And be very generous while applying oil on your face. Now I'm using the razor. Now the razor has to be very sharp, it can't be blunt. And one more thing, how to hold the razor, you can't hold it like this straight, you have to hold it in this way, in an angular basis. It's a very important point. You should not miss this thing. And then very slowly you have to shave your face with lot of patience, I'll tell you that. Now guys, those who have acne, they have this question that I have acne, can I shave? I think that you should not shave, because when you are shaving, you are actually doing what? You are shaving the outer layer of your skin, and as you have a sensitive skin, it will cause irritation. According to me, if you have acne, you should not shave your face. So guys, as you can see, lot of hair is coming out, and whenever I shave my face, I feel that I'm getting that baby soft feeling on my face. I really love it. Now the next question that comes in your mind is, should I shave my face every day? Now I think shaving is actually exfoliating, so as we should exfoliate our skin once in a week, so the same goes with shaving. So you should not be shaving more than once in a week. Now one more thing is very important, you should use one eyebrow razor. Don't use the razor which guys use, because that is very sharp. Now one razor can be used thrice, not more than that. You should keep that also in mind, and it has to be sanitized very nicely. And most importantly, the razor should be used by you only. Means the razor which you are using, it should not be used by any other person. Is very important. It's just you are maintaining the hygiene. So as you can see guys, I am being so patient, and slowly I am shaving my face. And once it is done, trust me, you will just get that very smooth, clear and glowing skin. This video is becoming a bit lengthy because I really wanted to show you guys how do I shave my face. Though I have edited a lot of portions, I don't know whether you can see the hairs on the razor. I just can't believe we have so much facial hair on our face, and while you do this, you are just removing all the dead cells from your skin. And that's the reason actually after shaving your face glows so much. And I believe this is an instant procedure to get that glow on your face. The shaving takes only 10 to 15 minutes, So if you ever want to get that instant clear glowing skin, definitely try the shaving. Now I'm just putting a little bit rose water to just soothe my skin, and then I'm just dabbing the cotton on my face so that excess rose water comes out from my face, and then I'm just letting my face dry. It is very important that after exfoliating, after shaving, you put some rose water on your face to just soothe your skin. Now a little bit rose water has gone in my eyes became watery. Now the last step is to put some aloe vera gel on your face. That is the last step. You can also put ice cube. I am putting over your aloe vera gel because it is really cold. I don't want to catch a cold, that's the reason. So yeah, this is the last. So I have divided this full shaving process into 5 steps to make it more clearer to you guys, and this is how my face is looking right now. So you can see a visible difference when I started shaving and by the end of this video, right? So guys, see you all in my next video. Tata, take care, bye bye.